So in this session, guys, I would like to show you how to locate the email addresses. Well, actually, how to email your classmates that you're assigned to work with from Blackboard. So here's your home page within Blackboard. First, you're going to click on this button that's called Tools. Now you want to scroll down a little bit until you find this button that says Send Email. So now if you want to send an email to everyone in class, including me, then you just click on All Users, and everybody's names who is here, and including mine, is here. So you just treat this as a regular email, subject line, message, and if there's an attachment, you may submit an attachment here too and click Submit. But there may be an instance that you do not want to communicate with everybody in the class and you just want to communicate with few students. So in that case, you will select this button that says Select Users, click here, and now you can go ahead and look throughout what people you would like to communicate with. So let's say it was me, let's say it was Miss Joyner, Shania, just anyone. And then you say, whoops, okay, I actually don't want Miss King on this communication, so I'm going to take her. Okay, sorry. I'm going to exclude her. And then you'll take these names, transfer into this column, and then behave as a regular in a regular email environment. You know, your topic line, your message. If you need to include an attachment, that would be great. Um, and that's pretty much it. And then when you click submit click submit button, you know, everything goes. I probably would also, yeah, you should, I believe, receive a notification in your email box as well that you have sent this email. So it will be there as an evidence to your email submission. If not, then I would see if I'm able to select my name because my name here is twice as a previewer and as a instructor. So just in case, I would select those two names if I wanted to have evidence of my email being sent. So let's say if it was Mr. Melvin sending an email to the students in the class, Mr. Melvin should go ahead and pick his name out of the bunch as well, put it in here, and just in case, send an email to himself too. So that way we'll be sure that, you know, Mr. Melvin receives, even though he sends the information, that he's also a recipient of this email in case if he needs this email for whatever functions in the future. So this is it. So this is how you find, well, not email address, but you send emails from the Blackboard to your students in your class. Thank you.